Hey guys, welcome to the How to PC channel. My name is Nick, and today I'm gonna show you how to create Soul's RNG private server for free. So it's pretty easy, and the first thing you need to do is open Roblox, and now on the left side you can find the sidebar. Click here on charts, and here you can find a lot of games, and now on the first place you can find the necessary game, Soul's RNG. Or you can just type the name of the game in the search box at the very top. So go to this game, to the games page, and now scroll down to the very bottom. And here you'll find the servers option, where you can easily create your own private server. So to do it, click on the create private server button right here, and most importantly, you can create this private server absolutely free. I'm very excited. So create a private server for free, type here server name, for example, how to PC, and now click on buy now. Wait, and that's all. Purchase complete. You have successfully bought the Soul's RNG private server from Soul Studio for free. Now you can customize, or not now. Let's click on customize. Here you can allow this server for your friends. Just turn on this switcher, click on it, and that's all. You can add people if you want, you can generate private server link if you want, and copy it easily. And of course you can change the server name. And this is how you can create Soul's RNG private server completely for free. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll be glad if you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.